I am Aisari and you are watching Saiban News HD. Now we are adding some important news.
Federal Minister M. Asif along with Provincial Minister Ramesh Singh Arora distributes CM Punjab Minority cards in Sialkot. Sialkot, March 9, 2025, Federal Minister for Defence Khawaja Muhammad Asif along with Provincial Minister for Minority Affairs Ramesh Singh Arora distributed minority cards under the Chief Minister of Punjab. Maryam Nawaz Sharif's scheme to 1,547 minority households in the Sialkot district. Addressing the ceremony, Federal Minister Khawaja Asif lauded the issuance of the minority cards and praised Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif for her efforts, stating that for a healthy society, it is essential that religious and ethnic minorities are provided equal rights without discrimination. He emphasized that Pakistan's entire population, regardless of differences, must be united and loyal to the nation, and religious affiliation should not affect loyalty to the country. Khawaja Asif further stated that in a healthy society, minorities enjoy the same, if not greater, rights and benefits as the majority. He added that Sialkot is fortunate in this regard, as it is home to a significant number of Christians, Hindus and Sikhs who have been living here since the creation of Pakistan and enjoy full freedom in their business and religious practices. Khawaja Asif also mentioned that after 1,947, only 10 Sikhs were left in Sialkot, but thanks to the efforts of the Chief Minister of Punjab, their members have now surpassed 100. He stated that the presence of minorities in Sialkot would be recognized internationally and steps are being taken to recover the historical Gurdwara Babe Di Beri's sacred pond from land mafia. Soon the remaining land would also be reclaimed. He added that Sialkot has become an international destination for the Sikh community where they can witness how religious and ethnic minorities live in harmony. In his address, Provincial Minister for Minority Affairs Ramesh Singh Arora remarked that Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif, in her first speech as the Chief Minister, are the crown on her head and that she wanted them to live without any fear. He also cited the words of former Prime Minister Nawaz Sharif, stating that there is no distinction between majority and minority in his view. Ramesh Singh Arora said that on January 22 and 2025, Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif launched the Minority Card Initiative. Through the portal, 93,000 non-Muslim households in Punjab registered themselves, and of these, 50,000 households with a poverty score of less than 45 were deemed eligible for the minority cards. He announced that next year 75,000 households would benefit from the minority card. The provincial minister also expressed his gratitude to Khawaja Muhammad Asif, M. Manshawlabat, Faisal Ikram, Deputy Commissioner and Additional Deputy Commissioner Revenue for their efforts in reclaiming the historical pond and land of Gurdwara Babe Di Beri from land mafia on behalf of the Sikh community. He also highlighted that Pakistan is the only country in the world where Sikh marriages are registered under the Sikh Marriage Act, while in India, where over 25 million Sikhs reside, they are forced to register their marriage under the Hindu Marriage Act. Ramesh Singh Arora commended Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif for allocating record funds of Rs 4 billion for the construction, renovation and maintenance of minority worship places, as well as the development of minority graveyards and colonies. He revealed that a project has been prepared for the restoration of 46 closed Gurdwaras, 25 churches and temples in Punjab, at an estimated cost of Rs 1.4 billion. He added that the Minority Affairs Department of Punjab is a leader in performance thanks to the historic steps taken by Chief Minister Maryam Nawaz Sharif. The provincial minister further stated that the PCI for the restoration for the historical pond at Gurdwara Babe Di Beri is being prepared, and work on the project will commence soon. He also mentioned that the Minority Affairs Department has developed a 5-year strategic plan for the restoration and the protection of minorities. Earlier, Federal Minister Khawaja Muhammad Asif, Provincial Minister Ramesh Singh Arora, Provincial Assembly members M. Manchaullah Bhatt and Faisal Ikram, Deputy Commissioner Muhammad Zulkarnain Langrial and Additional Deputy Commissioner Muhammad Iqbal Singhera handed over the reclaimed pond to the Gurdwara management. Khawaja Muhammad Asif instructed that a restoration plan for the pond be prepared.
For more updates, connect with Saiba News HD.